If you use both Spotify and Facebook, you may be wondering how to connect or disconnect the two platforms. We'll walk you through the process in a few simple steps so you can join or separate them. When you first sign up, Spotify offers you the option to connect your Facebook account. This automatically combines them. You can then easily log into Spotify from anywhere without recalling a separate password, and it will enable you to find and follow your friends. However, if you created your Spotify account using an email address or a different method, not involving Facebook, you'll need to link the two accounts separately. First, open the Spotify app on your desktop computer. Look for your display name in the top right corner and click on the drop-down arrow. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Now, scroll down until you spot the Social section, and click on the Connect with Facebook option. A Facebook login pop-out will appear. Hit Log into your Facebook with your credentials. Once you've done that, Spotify and Facebook will be connected. But what if you want to disconnect them? To do so, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your display name drop-down. Select Settings, and scroll down until you reach the Social section. Look for the button that reads Disconnect from Facebook, and click on it. That's it. If you created your Spotify account using your Facebook account, you won't find the Disconnect from Facebook button under the Social section. In this case, the two accounts are permanently linked, and the only way to disconnect them would be to close your Spotify account altogether. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.